2 steps, guys. Be careful. And as the first group, please walk all the way around that way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Welcome, my name is Pablo. Hang on to the rail in front or behind you. As you go up, we will have motion, guys.
Yeah.
Here comes the motion, guys.
Yeah.
So as we go up, we're going to have 3 more bumps. That is us changing gears to go to a higher speed. And I will let you guys know everything as it happens, just to give you guys a heads up. So guys, here comes the first solid bump, coming about here. A smaller one coming up. And a good little tug coming up now. If you guys want to look straight down, you'll see a compass also point the same way. But north is Orlando I Drive, south is Kissimmee, Old Town 192, west is this. This is how it's going to feel as we go up. I'll let you guys know when we're halfway and all the way up. Please feel free to take photos.
Here's Hollywood Studios, Swan and Dolphin, Magic Kingdom, or Epcot, and Magic Kingdom way out there.
Oh, sorry. I see it.
We're about halfway up.
Halfway?
That's great. Only halfway.
What?
Get a video shot of that. Yeah, there's the eye all the way out there.
On screen now, you should see 2 QR codes. This one's for our website, americantravel.fun, where you can find travel news, articles, the American Travel blog, travel resources, downloads, and so much more. And this other QR code is for our Redbubble shop, American Travel. Here you can find original designs and twists on old classics, designs including memes, travel, nature, space, retro, abstract, vintage, and much more. From shirts to hoodies to hats, phone cases, travel and coffee mugs, blankets, pillows, the list just goes on. So come on down and check it out. We have something to match your personality. All links are in the description below and on our website, americantravel.fun. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And as always, thank you for watching.